Today I want to talk about the great opportunity that we have in March. We have Deirdre and Chinnéide come again from Ireland. She was here in 2020. She is an Irish songwriter and musician. She's also a spiritual director and therapist. She's very easy to be around with. She's a very gracious person, kind. I just soak up her spirituality as well. And she's going to do 3 major events for us. One is a Celtic concert with poetry and live Celtic music. Then she's going to do an event for spiritual directors only as a refreshment for them. And then there is a Lenten retreat, also in March.